Good day to us all. We are welcome to today's mathematics class. So we have question under bearing and distance to solve. So let's do well and solve this question together. But before then, please, I beg us, please help me like and share the video. Please help me like and share the video. Thank you. So let's solve this question. A man walks 100 meters due west from a point X to Y. He then walks 100 meters due north to a point Z. So find the bearing of X from Z. So answer option is given to us. This is JAMB question 2011 question 35. So we have similar question on JAMB, same as bearing and distance. So JAMB 2001 question 2022 has drill for us to practice. You can let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you. So now let me recall our memory to this. We have what? The four cardinal points. We have the north, we have the east, we have the south, and we have the west. So if you are moving towards the south, you go in this direction. If you are moving towards the north, this direction. If you are going towards the east, this direction. And the south, this direction. So the man walks towards the east. So we have what? In this direction, towards the east in this direction. Solution. So let me just bring it a little bit down. In this direction, towards the east, towards the west. So in this direction. So, and there is, it starts from what? From X, point X here. So to Y. So after getting to Y, he then navigates and move towards the north. So towards the north. So this is the northern side. That is what? And then he stops at a point Z. A point Z. So, and then the distance covered from here, distance of X to Y is what? 100 meter. And what? Y to Z is also 100 meter. So we were now told to find the bearing of X from what? From Z. So since it is direct west and direct north, so that is going to be at what? At angle 90 degree. So now we can now close this. So because we want to calculate the bearing of X from Z, so we close this triangle. So we have, I would like us to note something, that this triangle here is what? Is a isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. What do I mean by that? This is an isosceles triangle, and then isosceles means what? We have two sides are equal. So if two sides are equal, that means that what? The two angles are equal. So, and this one is what? Where these two sides meet is what we call the vertical angle. So the vertical angle is our angle 90 degree, which we have as the vertex. We have only one vertical angle there, which is vertex. If it is more than one, then we call it vertices. So we have one vertical angle here. So, and then we have what? The base angle of the isosceles triangle is this and this. So if this is 90 degree, we subtract it from 180 degree, which is also 90 degree, and we divide it by 2. So we have this side to be 45 degree, and this angle here also is 45 degree. Angle here is 45, the angle here is 45 degree. So that is an isosceles triangle. And the right angle triangle is a triangle that has one of its angle to be what? A right angle, which is what? Angle 90 degree. So that is why I call it an isosceles right angle triangle. So we want to calculate the bearing from Z, the bearing of the bearing of X from Z. So we can draw these four cardinal points also here. So which we have this one as north, and then we have this one as east, we have this one as west. So we have so now the bearing from Z, we have this. The bearing from Z can be in two forms. We have the subbius bearing and we have the compass bearing. For the subbius bearing, starts on a clockwise direction from the north. So from the north here down to the what? To the line. So the value of this place here is also 45, because this is 90 degree. This angle here is 90 degree as well. So this is 45 degree. And from here to here is what? Is 90 degrees. So by the time we add it together, that is what? 90 degree plus 45 degree. That is the bearing of this what? Of the of x from what? From z. So that is equals to what? 135 degree. I said this value here is for the what? For the subverse bearing. Subverse bearing starts from the north and then the angles moves in a clockwise direction. Subverse bearing. So if it is what? Compass bearing, we have it as what? From here, this one is what? North. This one is on southeast. This one is south, and this one is what? East. So from here to here is on southeast, and that is what? From south to east. That is southeast, south 45 degree east. That is for the what? For the compass bearing. So the answer given to us is in what? Is in subverse bearing, not compass bearing, and that means that the correct answer here is what? 135 degree. That's all. Thank you.